Não encontrei ninguém que tenha a beleza dela. Sou do morro, sou favela, mas meu coração se apaixonou por essa Cinderela. Ela é da zona sul, loirinha de olho azul, e o impasse é upa.
Sabah is blessed with breathtaking natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and unique cultural concept. However, many tourists are unfamiliar with popular destinations and often face difficulties accessing comprehensive information about the state's diverse attraction, local culture, and authentic experiences.
Oh my god, there's no internet connection here.
Aduh, saya lapar buat nih. Kok makan seperti ke Sabah ya?
Hello, today I will be interviewing three people, which is the community, the traveler, and local business owner. Hello, what's your name? My name is Muhammad Fauzi. Where are you from?
I'm from Selangor.
Can I ask you some questions?
Of course, yes.
The most common problems faced by the tourists in Sabah.
Okay, so far I think there are 5 problems. The first of all is language barrier, lack of culture awareness about Sabah, and also language barrier, navigation difficult, and there are not too much information about Sabah.
Ah, that's a great information. Thank you, Rashid.
Most welcome. Bye bye.
Bye. Okay, next we will be interviewing a local business owner. Hello, Farah.
Hello.
As a local business owner, how do local business promote their product?
The local product business promote the product which is reflect to the unique culture and to the identify of the community. So our product is the handicraft like a souvenir.
Okay, Farah. Thank you. Okay, last we will be interviewing a traveler. Hello, Miss. My name is Muhammad Fauzi. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, can.
How do you think a tourist can find an information about interesting places?
So basically, I usually use platform Google to find which is place interesting. And other than that, I usually use social media platform which is like TikTok, but there is some information incomplete if I want to find interesting places and traditional food about Sabah. Problem statement. Tourists rely heavily on the internet navigation and travel information. There is still a lack of awareness regarding sustainable tourism and practices. So this is Rohan, what actually she saw. So ding ding. Many tourists have limited knowledge about Sabah. Local entrepreneurs struggle to gain visibility and promote their products to a wider audience, and Farah is trying to find a way to promote their product which is from online. So let's go what she's gonna time to type. Yeah. Alright, so this is a discussion with lecturer with our Miss Helen, and this is my team and Fuzzy and online Google Meet. So here we go. Alright, so this is us and my whole team. So here we are trying to develop our process, which is how we apply our apps, which is Discover Borneo. So we're trying to discuss what another element that we should to add. So as you can see, this is my team trying to try to develop a process and trying to discuss more about our apps how we gonna to present with our panel. So this is us discussing more and more about our final project. So let's see. Alright, so this is our product demonstration. So let's go to see. Yeah. Alright, so next we try to show our apps to community, and we are gonna try to get their feedback. Is it good or bad? So let's go.
Wow, this map is so good and very recommended for foreign.
Wow, so as you can see, this is the apps also have their offline maps, and then what else? We also
You can also find such a place in the good places you can visit.
yeah.
You can find the local international market.
Yeah, so this apps is very amazing because as we can see here, they also have for the for entrepreneur and also for for traveler. So this apps is a very helpful. So I think I would like to rate these apps around 9 out of 10. And then you?
I think 9.
9. So yeah.
In our apps, Discover of Borneo, we already applied 3 SDG, which is SDG 8, 11, 12.
Everyone, today we are introducing our mobile application called Discover Borneo, which not only promotes tourism in Sabah but also supports sustainable development goal 12, which is responsible consumption and production. In Sabah, we are blessed with beautiful nature, rich culture, and unique local products. However, many small local entrepreneurs struggle to reach wider customers, and sometimes tourism do not know where to find authentic local products. This is where our application helps. Through our platform, users can discover local products made by Sabahan entrepreneurs, such as handcraft, traditional food, and eco-friendly souvenirs. Instead of buying imported goods, tourists and locals are encouraged to support locally made and sustainable products. Our apps also includes a reward or a loyalty system every time user buy from local seller or participate in eco-friendly activities. They earn points. This encourages more sustainable consumption habits. In addition, we highlight eco-friendly business and promote sellers who use more responsible and environmentally friendly. In conclusion, our application supports SDG 12 by promoting responsible consumption, reducing waste, and encouraging sustainable production among local entrepreneurs and customers. Together, we can make tourism in Sabah more sustainable and meaningful for everyone. Thank you very much.
Alright, so Discover of Borneo strongly support SDG 8, decent work and economic growth by promoting sustainable tourism and creating economic opportunity for local communities throughout Borneo. The application acts as a digital tourism platform that connects travelers with local destination, culture attraction, traditional food, handicraft, tourism service, and making community-based experience. By making tourism information more accessible and organized, the apps help attract more visitors to various locations across Sabah and Sabah, contributing to the growth of the regional tourism industry. One of the key contributions of the application is support for local entrepreneurs and business. Many local operators, including tour guides, homestay, handicraft procedure, food vendor, transportation provider, and culture performers, often face challenges in reaching a wider market. Discover of Borneo provides a platform where the business can gain greater visibility and connect directly with potential visitors. As a tourist engagement increases, local business can generate higher revenue, expand their operation, and create more employment opportunity for community members. As a result, local residents are empowered to participate actively in the tourism economy and improve their quality of life. In the long term, the application contributes to economic resilience and sustainable development by promoting responsible tourism practice, the balanced economic growth with culture and environmental preservation. Through a digital innovation, local business promotion, and community empowerment, Discover of Borneo plays an important role in supporting decent work opportunity, reducing economic disparities, and fostering sustainable economic growth throughout Borneo in line with the objective of SDG 8. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today we would like to introduce our mobile application called Discover Borneo, an innovative platform that supports Sustainable Development Goals 11, which is sustainable cities and communities. SDG 11 aims to make cities and communities more inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. Our application contributes to this goal by promoting local tourism, supporting local entrepreneurs, and preserving Sabah cultural heritage. One of the key features is Hidden Gems, which helps tourists discover lesser-known attractions and local food destinations across Sabah. This encourages visitors to explore different communities and supports small local businesses. Another important feature is offline maps, which allows users to access travel information even in rural areas with limited internet connectivity. This makes tourism more accessible and inclusive for everyone. Our cultural challenges feature encourage users to learn about Sabah unique cultures, traditions, and ethnic communities through interactive activities. This helps preserve local heritage and increase cultural awareness among tourists and residents. The upcoming event section promotes local festival, community activities, and cultural celebrations, helping communities attract more visitors and strengthen local social connections. In addition, the digital business partnership system, it allows local entrepreneurs to promote their product and services directly to customers, creating more economic opportunities within the community. Through these features, our application supports sustainable tourism, community participation, cultural preservation, and local economic growth. By connecting tourists with local communities, we help build a more sustainable and inclusive future for Sabah.